Tonight I'm going to make a creamy ham and cauliflower soup, and here are my ingredients. It's the first time that I've made it, so hopefully it turns out well. I have vegetable oil, then I have 1 onion that I diced up, about half a pound of lunch meat ham. I went to the counter and asked them just to give me a slab, a half a pound slab of ham, and I diced it up. Garlic, flour, chicken stock. Then the bigger bowl is 1 head of cauliflower that I've cut up pretty small. You can see it here. Then white cheddar that I shredded, sage, parsley, black pepper, salt, and heavy whipping cream. I'm going to start by putting some oil into a stock pot, sauteing the onions, adding the garlic in, adding the ham in, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, well, I sauteed the onions till they were translucent, added the ham in, and cooked that for a minute or two. Added the garlic in just until I smelled it. Now I'm going to add the cauliflower that's been cut up. Cook that over a medium-high heat for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to sprinkle on top of that the flour and cook that around for about another 30 seconds. So the cauliflower is in there. It's been cooked for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add the chicken stock, 3 to 4 cups of chicken stock. The recipe says just until it covers the cauliflower mixture, so I'll follow those directions. And then it says to add the rest of the spices, the sage, the bay leaf, the salt, the pepper, and then cover it and cook it for 20 to 30 minutes. So I'll show you what it looks like after that. So the cauliflower broth mixture has been cooking for about 20 minutes. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream and 4 ounces of shredded cheddar. After that, the soup's complete, and I'll show you what it looks like. Here's the final soup. I ended up adding almost 4 cups of broth because it just kept evaporating off and it was too thick. But the 4 cups of broth made it like a soup-like consistency, so I think that's going to be good. And I tasted it. It's delicious. I hope you agree. If you make it, comment and let me know what you think. And please like and subscribe. Thanks.